Oh, they both have a tug toy. I still haven't changed my batteries yet, but hey, this is too cute. Look at T-Bird. She's all ready for a belly rub, even though she's tugging with her brother. So we're hoping to haul this monster dog in at 10:45 p.m. on Thursday, August 4th. We hope this is going to turn into we're going to sleep all night dog. Especially T-Bird, who's visiting for the first time. Look at that. Aren't they the cutest labs you've ever seen? Yes, they are. Tank! Yes, good boy! T-Bird! Good girl! Well, it looks like dinner might be ready.